Why do people fall sick during monsoon? Even after eating healthy. Monsoon brings humidity, infections, low digestion, and weak immunity. That constant cold, bloating, fatigue, and throat irritations, your body is asking for seasonal support. Instead of taking random supplements, start taking immunity boosting foods that naturally works during monsoon. Ginger and tulsi fight infection, garlic boost immunity, vitamin C fruits helps in recovery, turmeric milk reduces inflammation, and nuts and seeds give you strength. Small food changes can help you feel lighter, stronger, and more protected during the season. Your immunity is built in your kitchen, not in just the pharmacy. Save this reel and share it with someone who's always falling sick during monsoon.